Thermoteknix MultiView Enterprise is a single platform solution that combines your kiln burning zone, cooler cameras and your shell scanners into a dedicated modular framework to meet the needs of your plant. A single user interface allows effortless plotting and tracking of key kiln shell, burner and cooler temperature metrics. One menu structure gives true operator ease of use and minimal training burden. Dynamic data and video for cameras and scanners are shown on a single timeline, reflecting the effects of coating changes and process changes in the kiln and cooler from past to present. Trend data can be shown or turned off at the click of a button. Data from all sensors is stored in real time, synchronized and correlated through a structured database filing system to ensure fidelity without compromise to long-term data security and its integrity. The display can be easily configured to suit all plant preferences. MultiView Enterprise provides an OPC server to output real-time digital temperature data from shell scanner, burner and cooler cameras. Data measurement tools can also be linked to analog 4 to 20 mA outputs and close contact relays. All sensor streams can be linked together, enabling the operator to pause and rewind on one sensor stream, in this case being shown on the timeline of the monitor on the right, outlined by a red rectangle. This allows direct visualization between events on the kiln shell or in the burner and the cooler to be viewed synchronously or separately over the passage of time. All the sensor streams can be displayed on individual monitors or on a single monitor in the control room or an engineer's office. You can use MultiView's easily customizable picture-in-picture facility to overlay live feeds and with the click of a mouse switch between each sensor to take the dominant central screen position. Reposition and resize the picture-in-picture streams to create a truly personalized display to suit your plant's requirements and preferences, all of which are saved automatically. Cameras can also be installed in portrait orientation, achieving unique views from the cooler into the kiln. MultiView Enterprise is compatible with both infrared kiln cameras and with visible light cameras, allowing you to pick and mix your optimum setup. Thermoteknix MultiView Enterprise is measuring and recording the temperature of every single pixel that is displayed on the screen from the kiln shell scanner and kiln cameras. Hundreds of thousands of measurements per second for hours, days, weeks and months throughout the campaign. You can add any number of measurement tools as spots, rectangles, ellipses, polygons or lines to define your regions of interest inside or outside on the kiln shell, on live data or on historic data. Tools can be customized with both names and labels that can be dragged and dropped onto the screen at any time to display real-time maximum, average or minimum temperature values. Plotting data trends, live or historic, is as simple as clicking on its icon. The data is always there, ready for display or output. When an alarm is triggered, as shown here on the cooler camera with the red flashing rectangle outside of it, you can pause the live stream and navigate to the camera that recorded the event. Here you can acknowledge the alarm and play back the causative event in full screen or in a window while the live display continues separately. MultiView Enterprise automatically records all alarm events as well as user-specified events, and using the left and right arrow keys you can instantly navigate between them and resume playing back the historic video or from the time leading up to the alarm event itself. MultiView Enterprise has the ability to link data streams as shown by the link icon, and so when toggling between sensor streams the alarm events are shown in the shared timeline. Data from any of the connected sensor streams in MultiView Enterprise can be extracted from the database between times and dates of your choosing within the Kiln campaign, and they can be exported to Excel or any other software package using the built-in export function. Once data has been collected, it can then be exported and imported into Excel. Thermoteknix MultiView Enterprise is a unique step forward in the combination of kiln and cooler sensor temperature measurement and monitoring. A simple, consistent, uncluttered user interface that brings together multiple sensors with the latest technology in an effortless combination of functionality, data management and control. Please visit www.thermoteknix.com or email sales@thermoteknix.com for more information, and let us show you how MultiView Enterprise can be your next step to the future.